Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on and opening settings. This is where locks are managed. Go to Security or Fingerprint and passcode right away. You need to verify your current screen lock first. Enter PIN, pattern, or password when prompted, because the system requires confirmation before allowing fingerprint changes. Make sure your Oppo or Google account is accessible. You may be asked to sign in. Once done, you'll see the registered fingerprints list and options to remove or modify them. You now authenticate and access the fingerprint list to remove entries. Tap the fingerprint you want to delete, and you'll see a Remove or Delete button. Press it. Why this step matters? It ensures the fingerprint template stored in secure hardware is wiped, preventing future authentication. If multiple fingerprints exist, repeat the process for each. Make sure to keep at least one strong screen lock method active. Removing all locks can leave the phone vulnerable if you skip this precaution. Finish by testing. Lock the phone and try unlocking with the removed finger. It should fail. If it still works, restart the phone and recheck settings to ensure the template is gone. Make sure backup screen lock remains active and update any biometric unlock in apps like banking. Troubleshooting. If you can't access settings because you're locked out, use Oppo Find My Phone or Google Account Recovery. As a last resort, a factory reset will remove biometric data but will erase device data. So back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.